The Measure tool allows you to plot coordinates, measure lengths, and measure areas. To open the measuring tool, double-click the blue header, then click on the Tools tab, and you can see we have options for measuring tools right here. First, if you want to plot coordinates, we'll click the Plot Coordinates button. If you're looking to get the coordinates of somewhere on the map, you can hover over, or you can actually just click on the map and it'll plot a point for you. If you change to a different coordinate system, you can see that the lat long updates, and you can add more points to the map. Now they'll stay plotted on the map and listed right here. You also have the option to get rid of this coordinate by deleting it. You can also temporarily hide the coordinate, or you can edit the location. So let's click Edit, and the one that we're editing is highlighted in blue. And let's just say we wanted to move it a little bit further south. To measure a distance, we'll click the line button right here. The yellow banner tells us how to draw our measurement line. So let's click on the map and drag to the location where we want to finish our drawing. And let's double click. And our line appears with the measurement on the map. If you want to measure multiple segments at once, you can do so by clicking on the map, then clicking once, and you can add another segment by clicking again, and you can just keep adding as many segments as you need. Let's add one more here, and we'll double click to finish. So it gives us the length of each segment between our mouse clicks, and then the total length as well. If you want to change one of the measurements that you drew, you can click the Edit button, then click on the line that you want to edit. It'll give you the option to adjust these vertices. So let's say we don't want to measure this length, we actually want to measure here. It'll update our drawing, then we'll click off the map, and you can see that the distance calculation has been updated. Now say we want to get rid of some of these, we can click the down arrow next to Edit, and you have the option of erasing one of your measurements. So let's click this one, and it disappears off the map. If you want to clear all of your measurements, you can click this down arrow again, then click Clear. It will give you a warning that you will erase all of your drawings or measurements on the map. You click OK, and our map is clear again. If you want to measure an area on the map, click the drop-down arrow next to Line, and you have the option of changing the line type or switching to area. So let's measure a circle. You can see the banner has updated to tell us how to measure, how to use this measuring tool. So we'll click on the map and drag until we have the size of circle that you want. Then release, and it'll tell us the area of the circle as well as the perimeter. If you want to make the circle a little bigger, again, we'll just go in, hit Edit, click on the circle, and use these vertices to change the shape. Click on anywhere else on the map to update this drawing and update the measurements.